here we are, back with Jessica, the sexy 750. She had a problem with her stator. Bad knocking noise started coming out from under the stator cover, which I'll show you here. One of the screws came almost right off, holding on by the last tooth basically. So we took all 3 screws out of the stator and put some Loctite in there, cleaned the surfaces properly, obviously, and then screwed it all back together and let it cure for well, it's supposed to be at least 24 hours. We gave her about 4 or 5 days because I actually cut my finger, not working on the bike though. But yeah, so it got a lot of time to cure. So we've popped it all back together. Basically cleaned all the metal fragments that were inside that stator cover out as well. We've topped the oil back up because obviously we drained all the oil out. We're using this one here. It's a pretty good oil. If you are looking for your oil levels, where your oil filler is right there, just look straight down there. Young Jessica here takes 2200 mils, which is 2.2 litres. Okay, so basically here we are. It's the moment of truth. Let's see how she fires up. Okay, so I'm going to put you down for just a sec. Let's do it. Alright, so she's sounding pretty good. Definitely fixed the problem. Just let her warm up a little, take all the oil in. We'll stop her, check the oil level in the oil window, which is right near the filler cap. Once again, I'll show you that one. So it's just there. So once we turn her off, we'll stand her upright, have a look at the oil level, and just check if she needs a bit more, which I doubt because I didn't change the oil filter. But she's sounding pretty good. Jessica's back. So I think she's ready to hit the streets tonight. Stay tuned, we're going to do some more mods. We're going to go for the windscreen next. We're going for a very dark tint. Then we'll probably do an exhaust mod after that. So yeah, stay tuned guys. Thanks for watching.